Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is having another great day today. So we are up $58.13. That's good for 5.76%. We close at 1067 even. And post-market, we are down $1. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we broke out 2 days ago. And yesterday we had a nice move up. And today we also have a nice move up, nice green candle. This is a steady move up. We broke the second channel resistance. So this is now turning green. Second channel resistance at about 1051 at this point. So now we are getting close to this resistance right here. So we are getting close to this resistance right here. So the stock is going to react probably on that. So we might be going up to maybe 1108 or something like this. And the stock might be lingering there a little bit. And then the stock will make a decision. Will it decide to come down and retest this support right here or this one right here? It's possible that it's either of these two support that get retested before going back again and maybe move like this. It is possible that we just go back out of this descending triangle and retest 1200 right away. So this is all possible. These are all possibilities, and no one knows what is going to happen. So we are just going to have to observe, and when it happens, then we act accordingly. If the stock starts to go down, then you can buy a put to protect your position. You can sell your position. You can buy a put also to make some money. There's a bunch of possibilities that you can do. Let's just go see the 1 hour chart while we're at it. So 1 hour chart, where's the first? Okay, so this is the first candle of the day. So we opened above 1002, opened above it, went a little bit below it, but the stochastic was staying very strong. So this meant that the stock really had some strength and the stock just went up. Boom. First hour, we broke 1027.25. A resistance / support that was used quite a bit in the past couple of months. We broke that during the first hour, and then second hour, third hour, fourth hour, we kept climbing up. Then the fifth hour, we had a little bit of a selling pressure here, a longer wick here. We had a longer wick here also on this candle, but it didn't seem to last that long. And we came down here, and the last candle is green, and stochastic is still very strong on this 1 hour chart. So in terms of the intraday resistance, we are going to get some resistance at 1079.82. So this is going to be next Monday, because tomorrow the NASDAQ exchange is closed. So this is going to be Monday the 27th. So we are going to need to take a look at 1079.82 right here. And intraday, we are going to have to take a look also here at 1027.25. So we have entered a little bit of a congestion zone right here. The stock might play a little bit there before deciding what it wants to do next. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators, how they have been impacted by this move. So now we have stochastic at 63. This is great news for us. And when stochastic is above 60, we like to see this. And then we have this breakover, of course, that happened yesterday of the decreasing strength trend on the RSI. So this is still broken, and also we have RSI at 55. So this is a nice bullish sign. And in terms of MACD, well, MACD shows a buy signal when the blue line gets over the orange line. as simple as that. This crossover bullish has not happened yet. We are at minus 19.29 versus minus 19.25 for the orange line. So this is going to happen very soon. So this is definitely a nice move. As I mentioned, what I am going to really look at is what is happening next Monday for this area here. So this is an area of resistance. And what Tesla has done in the past is been rejected. If it is rejected, see, it can take a couple of days. So it can stay a couple of days there before deciding to do something else. Here it stayed one day. Here it stayed a couple of days also. So this is going to be very interesting to see what is going to happen here. Let's hope that we break this and get up to 1210. That would be fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I'm going to wish you a great Christmas. We are going to talk on Sunday for the members and look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. For all the others, we are going to talk on Monday, the 27th of December, right after Christmas. I'm going to tell you à la prochaine and joyeux Noël.